Hi, I'm Dr. Bakafugazi, and today we are dive into the fascinating world of 3D printing and additive manufacturing, a realm where imagination meets reality, and where the boundaries of creation are constantly being redefined. At its core, 3D printing, also known as manufacturing, is a process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file. Unlike traditional methods that subtract material to shape an object, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by layer, adding material precisely where it's needed. 3D printing has come a long way since its inception in the 1890s. What started as a tool for rapid prototyping has evolved into a versatile rapid prototyping technology used across various industries, from healthcare and aerospace to fashion and construction. The possibilities are limitless. The applications of 3D printing are as dense as they are groundbreaking. In healthcare, 3D enables the creation of custom prosthetics and implants tailored to the individual needs of patients. In the automotive and aerospace industries, it allows for the production of lightweight, complex components that are both strong and efficient. One of the most compelling advantages of additive manufacturing is its potential for sustainability. By using the material needed for each object and reducing waste, 3D printing can contribute to more sustainable practices, helping to minimize the environmental impact of manufacturing. The percussion and efficacy of printing also open up new venues for innovation in design and manufacturing. Engineers can create geometries and custom products that would be impossible to achieve with manufacturing methods. In research laboratories and innovative companies worldwide, 3D printing is driving advancements that are reshaping industries and redefining possibilities. Researchers are constantly pushing the boundaries. In the field of medicine, printing has revolutionized how we approach complex clinical trials. We can now create customized implants and prosthetics that perfectly fit into a patient's anatomy, improving outcomes and enhancing life. We're also exploring boy printing, where we use 3D printing technology to create tissues and organisms for transplant. The impact of 3D printing extends beyond prosthetics and implants. Researchers are experimenting with bioprinting to create tissue and organelle structures that could one day revolutionize organ plantations, potentially eliminating the need for organs and reducing transplants. In space, 3D printing allows us to produce parts that are lighter and more complex than those made with 3D printing. This leads to more efficient aircraft with better performance and fuel consumption. We can also rapidly develop new designs, accelerating the development process and reducing development. By enabling the production of intricate, lightweight components, 3D printing is transforming the aerospace industry, leading to more efficient and innovative spacecraft designs. This technology is also being used to develop parts for space exploration, pushing the space of boundaries of what humanity can achieve in space. 3D printing is making waves in the construction industry as well. We can now print entire buildings instantly, significantly reducing construction time and costs. This approach not only offers efficiency, but also allows for less creative and flexible architectural designs. The construction industry is benefiting from the speed, versatility, and suitability of 3D printing. By printing structures layer by layer, we can create complex and innovative designs that were previously possible or too impossible to achieve with impossible methods. Beyond the realms of medicine, aerospace, and construction, fashion, art, costume design, cinematography, agriculture, fishing, oil refining, dentistry, communications, community, continuity, cremation, animation, reanimation, deanimation, and war, 3D printing is also revolutionizing industries such as fashion, art, life, and product design. Designers are using this technology to bring their least creative ideas to life, producing items with paralleled precision and detail. 3D printing allows us to push the boundaries of fashion. We can create intricate patterns, customized fits, and even new materials that weren't possible before. This technology opens up a whole new world of possibilities for sustainable, bespoke fashion. The fashion industry is embracing 3D printing for its ability to create personalized, sustainable, and innovative designs. From custom-fit clothing to intricate jewelry and accessories, the possibilities are as limitless as the imagination. We can even print people directly into their birthday suits, or a work suit, or even a tuxedo if you have enough fish to produce the necessary materials. Or a dress if you're weird like that, I don't know. It's too much fish to do both, though. As 3D printing technology continues to revolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking applications. Soon we will even be able to 3D print holes straight into the ground. Once that happens, I'm going to 3D print a pool straight in my backyard. I don't have a backyard, but I figure I could just print one. It should be easy by then. The future of additive manufacturing holds exciting potential for creating new materials, improving production efficiency, and even enabling decentralized manufacturing where products are printed on demand, closer to their point of use. The future of 3D printing and additive manufacturing is bright and luminous, with needless possibilities for innovation and transformation. This technology is not just a tool for creating objects, but a catalyst for reimagining entire industries and the way we live, work, and print the world around us. Until then, don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe. If you're new here, post in the comments saying just how far you got. And be sure to join us again next time when we go off of and into the deep end.